An astronaut travels to Mars, which group describes how his mass and his weight compare with their sizes on Earth. Okay, in this question, a mass is considered and the masses of an astronaut, and he travels to Mars. But what the question is, how his mass and weight are going to, how we are going to compare their mass and weight. Like which one, is it going to be different on the Mars or is it going to be the same as on Earth? Okay, so the concept over here is that mass, when we talk about mass, mass is the amount of matter in any object, right? It could be anything, okay? Anything is, we believe that everything in this physical 3D space is made up of matter. Hence, it has mass, okay? So, but when an astronaut, which is a group which is made up of matter, when travels to Mars, does that matter changes? Like, is it going to increase or is it going to decrease? So we believe that matter is not going to change. Matter will remain the same because it is the same astronaut. He's just traveling to Mars. Okay, so the mass will remain the same because the amount of matter in his body will remain the same. Okay, so we know that mass is going to remain same. Now, what can we say about his weight? Okay, now the weight is, now how we classify weight. So the weight is, if we talk about weight is the gravitational force. Okay, weight is the gravitational force, and it depends on the gravity of the planet. Yeah, it depends on the gravity of the planet. If the gravity changes, the weight will get changed. Okay, so we know that Mars and Earth are totally two different planets. So they must be having different acceleration due to gravity. Like on Earth, the G is 10 meters per second square, right? This is on Earth. Maybe on Mars, it could be 11, it could be 12, it could be anything. It could be lesser. Why am I saying this? Because the planets are different. Their mass is different. Mars is, I believe, more bigger than Earth. That's why I'm saying that the gravity acceleration due to gravity will be different on these two planets, and that's what weight depends on. Okay, so the weight will be different. So the correct option for this question is, so we know that the mass will remain same and weight will be different. So the correct option is C.